No, what about your partner, sir? You can't ask about her partner. You should ask her na, because she is your partner at the moment. You should ask, what about you? Very good. But at the same time, Rajesh sir is not responding by asking questions. He is not asking questions. For online classes, who wears uniform? Oh, to be in the uniform also. Are they crazy? Oh, oh, it's happening. Amazing, yeah. Uh, okay, we will have a discussion about it later. Let Mane and Rajesh sir continue their conversation first. Very good. Next pair is Tejaswa and I think Mrs. Veer. Are you ready? Can you do this conversation, Mrs. Veer? Okay, Tejaswa and Mrs. Veer. It should be like a normal conversation. If you feel like asking question immediately after he asks or you answer, you can. Otherwise, if you want and if you feel it comfortable and if you feel it to be natural to ask in the end, you can do accordingly. Good. Great. .15 kilometers up and 15 kilometers down means total 30 kilometers. Who is that her? Okay. Yet. Niece, niece. It's niece. Yes. Means they are also nephews and nieces. Okay, nephew and niece. Yeah. How old is your niece? He or she? I don't think that you are capable of taking care of a child or infant who is only 6 or 7 months old. You can play and spend some time with that child only, that baby. Hmm? She is comfortable. Okay. Good question. Okay. Okay, her smile tells everything. Okay. Actually, you are double ma. Yes. Yeah, that's why. Every baby is happy with the ma, with her ma or his ma, and you are double ma, so definitely he or she will be double happy. So, is it over? Conversation? Third pair is now Rajnandini and Manya. Are both of you girls ready again? Rajnandini and Manya? Okay, please. Go where? University. Okay. But university is in Bodh Gaya and you are at Bihar Sharif. Do you travel? Okay. You go to college, not university. Okay. At the weekend, not at the weekend. I don't have to wear at all because I'm not a school student anymore. I'm a college student and my college doesn't want students to wear any uniform, Rajnandani, right? Yes. But here college at Bihar Sif doesn't ask students or doesn't require students to wear uniform. Okay, you can go to college even in the most fashionable dresses you want. So the girls have here an edge over the girls like you who are studying in hi-fi schools, because you are bound to just wear some uniforms, and they can choose the dresses according to their choice and fashion. So they have an edge over you, Manya. Are you feeling jealous of Rajnandani in this matter, in this regard? Okay, now everybody can unmute the mic and participate with me in a little small discussion. Now, I want to know, can you please tell me that whose life is more stressful among all of you? How? No, no, based on this information only. Based on this information only. Otherwise, you have to do a lot of things. I even have to do more. Okay. Now, all I think everybody has to get up early in the weekdays, in the week, but not at the weekends. You don't have to get up early in the morning at the weekends also. So you don't have any edge over here, right? Rajesh sir, are you there? Can huh? Okay, you have to work in the evening. And who else has to work in the evening? Who else has to work in the evening? Yes, of course, it is a work. It is a type of work. So you have to study. Okay, you also work in the evening. But Mrs. Veer has to do something else apart from studying, right, Mrs. Veer? Preparing means Tejasvi is saying that he has to study in the evening, so he has to work also in the evening, like you. But yes, she has to cover 30 kilometers in up and down to get to work and get back home. Mane and Rajnandan, you can just unmute your mic and participate in this discussion. So you have to wear a suit in the weekdays. Yeah, yeah, Manya. And how many hours daily have you to wear suits, Manya? Uniform. 3 hours every day with shoes and socks and lower part trousers as you wear in your house because the camera does not reach there. You are dodging your teachers. Oh, your sisters also do the same. So it's a universal rule now that the schools are making it compulsory for the students to wear uniform even in the online classes. Okay, so because I think they want to give a feel that the students are still studying in the classroom itself, so that they may focus more and the school management take fee more and more consistently from the guardians by giving an impression that they are teaching the students with the same sincerity as they used to teach in the offline classes, right? My god. So are you happy with this arrangement, Mane? Rajnandini, what is the reaction of your sisters when they have to wear the uniform in front of the camera in online classes? Are they comfortable doing so? They love to wear. But Manya doesn't. Yes. So I think Mrs. Veer has got an advantage. Means one point. Mrs. Veer is 1 point ahead. That she has to travel a long way to get to work, and nobody else has to travel so long these days. After Corona is over and before the Corona. Also, it was a routine for you to that you had. And how far had you to travel every day, Manya? 15 minutes travel, 15 minutes journey from metro. Then at least 50 to 60 kilometers. Yes, 50 to 60 kilometers at least. With bus. No, if I go by bus. Hmm. It takes consume. No, it takes an yes. Then about yes, of course. At least 30 to 40 kilometers. Not less than that at all. Not less than that at all in Kolkata. Because she loves traveling here and there. Your father wants you to study in that particular institute or coaching or school whatsoever, right? Okay, your papa wants to make you more confident and bold. That's nice. That's nice. He is a man of progressive thinking. Rajesh sir is completely silent. He muted once his mic and then unmuted, but he's not saying anything. I think there is some problem on his side. Okay, he's trying to say, but he's not audible to us. Okay, he has given some message. Prakash sir has sent a message. Sorry, there are some problems in the microphone and speaker. I'll back after a while. I'll be back. There is a common error in the sentence. Okay, 5 kilometers. So, but less than Mrs. Veer. Yeah, Rajesh sir has signed in with two mobiles. Still, he is not responding. I think there is some problem on his side. That's why he's just struggling with the things. So, are you people ready to have a conversation about this topic, this side? Let me increase the size a little. Let me magnify. I think it is now clearer. The first pair is this time Manya and Mrs. Veer. No, I don't have to. No, she is so important to her office that the boss can't do without her. She is indispensable. She is indispensable for her office and for the Punjab government also. No, जिसके बिना काम नहीं चले. Do you have to get there? Do you have to get there? What should you use? Have to and this structure, na? Do you have to get there before? Get up or get there? Get there means reach there. Yes, take care, take care. Before 9. For last 3 or 4 days, I have not had to get there before 9 o'clock. But before this period, I had to get there before 9 o'clock. Mhm. Do you have a computer, Mane? Desktop, or laptop or palm top? Desktop is computer that we keep it on our table, and laptop is the laptop, and palm top is a very small size of computer that you hold in your palm and do the work. So which type of computer does your sister have? Desktop computer, that is called desktop. Okay. She will be more than happy if everybody starts turning on his or her camera, because she will also get a chance to turn her camera on. Beauty is to be shown, beauty is meant to be shown, but the problem is that she will have to take bath daily for that, but for that she will have to take bath daily to turn her camera on. Mrs. Veer, we should try and understand the psychology. She is just a teenage, okay, and she is like a chirpy bird. Chirpy bird, you understand? Chahchahane wali panchi. And every girl in this age is like that, and I like their energy. This energy. No, you can't touch her leg even, let alone pulling. Are you? You can't. Why? Because first of all, you will have to maintain physical distance. It is Corona time. And second, you are not कानून कि आपके हाथ इतने लंबे हैं कि from Punjab you will reach Kolkata to pull her legs, and now your legs have been pulled. Okay. So your conversation is over, Miss. Oh, continue, please. Continue. I deviated you people. But when I was in school, I had made a rule that I will never do. Yes, I will never do any homework more than an hour, and I used to finish anyhow, however the teacher gave in an hour. Maths is not completed in an hour. Prakash sir, evening is good, but not for you. It was good in so good in the beginning. Sometimes it happens when weather changes, the settings of the computer automatically changes, especially audio system. It happens. I have also experienced this with my computer. Uh, they are dealing with them, with each other. Yes, Mrs. Please continue conversation, Mrs. Viren Manya. After that, I'll explain to sir. So I think it is done now. Okay. So who will be the next pair now? Who will be the next pair? Rajesh sir, is your mic working now or not? Still not working. Okay. Then I'm gonna give the pair first of all to Rajnandani and Prakash sir. Nothing, sir. You'll have to make puri and offer it to the others sitting. You'll have to talk about these things. Did you do this lesson or not at home? Okay, you're not ready. Then I think first of all you need to listen to others talking about that. So whom should I give? Rajnandani and Tejaswa. Rajnandani? हाँ with Tejaswa. Tejaswa? हम्म 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 Go to college or I have to go to college? I had to go to because you're talking about the past. Hmm? Why so? Okay. Rajesh sir is struggling with the setup. Mhm. You are audible now, sir. Sometimes I do. Better to say. Then why doesn't your mother cook? Okay, because of some health issues. Because of some health issues. Okay. What do you study? Okay, nice, Mrs. Veer and Rajesh sir. Okay, okay. You wait for some more time, Prakash sir. Then your and Manya's fair will be there. This time, Rajesh sir and Mrs. Veer. Yes, of course. Uh, in the evening or in the afternoon or in the morning, sir? Which time? In the evening or in the afternoon or in the morning? Whenever you get time. Hmm. Around the clock. 24 घंटा पढ़ते हैं जरा. खतरनाक. Okay, she's learning lawn tennis. Good. It's secret. Rajesh sir is going to start a coaching center to give a tuition for parenting. And you are a prospective. You have to you have to be a parent. Mrs. Veer, it's for you. It's for you, Mrs. Veer. Of course you are right, sir. You have never been wrong, so how can you be right this time? What I said, what I said, you people did not notice. I said completely nonsense thing. It has no meaning. It has no sense. I said you have never been right. You have never been wrong. How can you be right this time? No, I have never touched him. Okay, is the conversation over between Mrs. Veer and Rajesh sir? Now Prakash sir, are you ready? Are you ready, sir? But what is the issue with your camera? When your camera is on, the mic is off, and now it is both on. Okay, I'm giving you one of the most tej tarar type of yodha from my army. Manya, Manya, take on Prakash sir. Take on Prakash sir. Yes. I don't feel pressure. I don't say yes. Prakash sir said I don't feel pressure. I'm enjoying it. That's why I said he's most tej tarar yodha. Yes. Great question. And guys, you know who enjoys the most your conversation? My wife sitting here in the room. She is telling कि ये मान्या है सबका ऑपरेशन करते रहती है for wife. For wife. Yes, Mane, continue. Now correct it, sir, please. हिम्मत हो रही है. Interested, interested. She will not be interested. people are crazy, really. Yes, of course, sir. Who stopped you? No, 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 sir. If she is firing missiles at you, you have all the rights like Israel to destroy and devastate Gajapatti. And America, France, and UK will always be there with you in your support. Huh, Mr. Netanyahu, go and attack. We will provide you the missiles. Must start, must be start, must start. Sorry, sir. Yeah, and set the table also. Depends upon your mood, not your mind. But the conversation should have been based on the structure have 2 plus v1, na? Mrs. Veer, and you also, Mrs. Veer. You are speaking Sanskrit and Bhojpuri. Over, and you are giving some extension, and that's why. I think it was a nice conversation round today. I told that it will be only the whole time will be just we will have some conversation, and we did it right. So new lesson will start tomorrow. I think we should wrap it up now for today. Good night, Mrs. V. Good night, Prakash sir, Rajesh sir, Rajnandani, Manya, and Tejas. Good night, everybody.